Good morning everyone. My name is KAAVYA JAIN from 12th Commerce and today I'm going to talk about the role of youth activism in driving political and social change. So first of all, who are youth? Youth refers to the people between the age of 15 and 29. India has the largest youth population in the world of 66% of the total population under the age of 35. Now, what is youth activism? The activists that youth, typically pre-teens and teenagers, participate in with the explicit goal of seeking social change by advocating for issues of relevance and concern. Youth protests can play an important role in the construction of better future by raising awareness of an important issue in their societies and by providing a platform for young people to share their political demand. Youth protests can help to build public support for change. Activists, young and adult, as well as policymakers should take measure to harness this potential. Now, let's talk about the role of youth in social change. Youth engagement in social change movements is a driving force behind increased awareness and mobilization. Through social media and technology, they quickly disseminate information and rally support for causes they are passionate about. Their ability to connect with their peers worldwide fosters a global community dedicated to positive change. Let's talk about the role of youth in politics. The role of youth in Indian democracy is not just about becoming a politician. It is also about becoming an active citizen who hold their elected representatives accountable. The youth have shown their potential in various social and political movements. Youth can be powerful agents of change by demanding the transparency, accountability, and responsiveness from the government. In the conclusion, I'll say that youth activism today is a driving source for social and political change. These young activists who are driven by passion, empathy, and strong commitment to improving the world have changed the landscape of lobbying and social change in a multitude of fields, including racial justice, education, social action, and many more, as they have successfully achieved their goals by using innovative methods. Their impact on social norm, public opinion, accountability, and policy cannot be disputed. Youth are not simply tomorrow's leader, but also today's leader, eliminating the way to make more promising and inclusive future for everybody. Thank you.